Hey campers, today we're at the 41st Speedy Fest in Otsiningo Park at Binghamton, New York, and right now I want to go over this brand new 2026 travel trailer by Palomino O.V.E. This right here has the Curt independent suspension, has that pop top, 2 different roof racks up there, 400 watts of solar, and this thing is built for boondocking. So let's check out the brand new O.V.E. 15.1 by Palomino O.V.E. What's up everybody? I am so stoked to go over the brand new 15.1 O.V.E. with you. This thing comes in weighing at 3458, has a dry hitch weight of 390 pounds, cargo carrying capacity of 1939. The gross is 5395. The length on this is 19 foot 2 inches, width is 7 foot 6 inches, and the height is 8 foot 7 inches. It comes with a 2-inch ball, power tongue jack by Lippert with a footprint on the bottom. We have an electric brake package with a breakaway brake, 7-pin round wiring, and a safety pin. We also have a spot to put stuff in to organize that 7-pin round wiring. 2 20-pound propane tanks up front with that full-size spare tire. And as you can also see, this is 000007. We have 4 stab jacks all the way around, which are the nice heavy-duty stab jacks. We have a nice U-shaped pass-through storage. It also comes with the quilted window blockers for the inside for more insulation. We have a magnetic door all the way around, Lippert on-the-go ladder bracket. Up top, we have the 400 watts of solar and 2 roof racks. We also have the outside shower, 30 amp power cord plug, outside vent, on-demand hot water. Make sure you turn it on in here for the master control. Over here is a furnace exhaust. Come on. Right here is going to be our last pass-through storage on this side with our dump station down below. This is our dump station for our gray tanks. Underneath we have that Curt independent suspension. Also, it just looks nice under there. We've got the corrugated cover, so it definitely helps it out. Over here is going to be our water intake, fresh water connection for when we're at the camp, when we want to go boondocking, and with city water connection when we're at the campground. We already have pressurized water with lights on both sides so we can actually see when we're working it, and another Lippert on the go ladder bracket so we can access both roof racks. We also have this beautiful 6-foot awning on the back. Beautiful door entry handle. Down here is going to be access for our fresh water tank and our water pump. Rear porch light, LED light underneath the awning. Backup camera bracket. Triple step, solid step to get in, and we will go in just a second. Let's walk around the other side and check out this side. Over here is a cassette toilet. That is a 5-gallon cassette toilet. Outside plugs. Over here is a keter rail so we can put a table or a grill out there. Here is the rest of that U-shaped pass-through storage. And it is crazy how much room is up in here. Plenty of windows. The lift on this thing is double what the truck campers are. I believe those lift 7,000 pounds per actuator. I'm not 100%, but I believe so. When we walk in, we'll see our remote that lifts the camper roof up. Battery disconnect switch, solar controller. We have our remote control to turn on the power. Over here is going to be some drawers for us. And our water heater control. Here's our porch lights outside. Those are the side porch lights, which actually go over like the dump station. And here's our awning controls. And our lights and battery and water levels. Water heater and water pump switches. That's opening and closing the awning. Then we're into the 12-volt fridge with the latch on it. That is almost impossible one-handed. So we're just going to open this up and show you a little bit. That is ran off your battery system. It does come with a little freezer section in there with a countertop above and some overhead storage with 3 different vents in this camper too, with optional air conditioning. We are wired for it. They just don't come unless you want it. We do have them in stock. Then stainless steel sink with a sink cover, 2-burner stove with the recessed stove. Some windows with the window blockers and the shades. We also have the stovetop cover, which is not tempered glass. Up here we have the actual true 60 by 80 mattress, which is a full queen with storage all the way around. We have windows all the way around in that soft side. They all have screens, they all have covers, and then we also have the quilted cover to protect that insulation and give us a little bit more warmth in the winter and cold during the summer. Here's a little overview of the whole floor plan. Right up top near our bed we have a fantastic fan with 3 speeds in, 3 speeds out, intake or exhaust, and then we have the 2 other vents, one near the bathroom and one in the center. Here's our dinette. The dinette is going to be 58 by 36 as far as size goes. Here's our heater blower, some plugs, our water heater. Down here is our information for the camper, and then our carbon monoxide detector underneath that. Now we're going into the kid room. Technically is what I call it. This is a breaker box and fuse box. This is going to be the first bunk that is 23 by 80, then the second bunk that is 36 by 80 with underhead storage, under bed storage. Both of them come with lights, both of them come with reading lights and charging stations. We have a little cabinet and a little pull-out drawer down here as well. It's a really slick camper, has a lot of options, a lot to offer. It's only 3,500 pounds. I love that Curt independent suspension underneath. Now let's go into the bathroom, which is just that cassette toilet. We do have a little storage in here for us. That way we can do it exactly what we need to do. We can still have privacy. And that is the 15.1 O.V.E by Palomino O.V.E. All right, we've reached the end of the video, and I just realized that I'm rocking the Palomino hat. Thanks for sticking around and watching the video. If you like these kind of videos, do me a huge favor and smash that subscribe button and keep on coming back for more. I'll see you all next week. Bye, everybody.